Hi everyone, welcome to my online art classes. Today we will be drawing a little pink piglet from the cartoon Winnie the Pooh. Okay, for that what we'll need is we have to make a border on all four sides of the paper. You'll need a scale and a pencil and start making lines, equal lines on all four sides of the paper. Okay, so we'll take one side, start drawing. You can take your help of your mama to draw the borders if you are not able to do this yourself. This way you can make borders on all the sides. Why do we draw borders? So that we can give a frame and it makes a very neat drawing. Okay, so that is why we draw a border. It is a good habit to start with a border always. And the third side, let's make the border. And the last side. Now keep your paper standing, okay, and we'll start by drawing the face of the piglet. We first start by making a semicircle this way. Draw and extend the line a little bit on both the sides. Make a C shape for the cheek on this side and on the other side a reverse C shape which will give you the cheek. Join both the sides by a curved line like this. This is the neck. Okay, this is the neck. Now from the right side bring a curved line this way to start with drawing the body. This is another side. Join by making a U shape at the bottom over here. Now we'll start with the legs. Make a standing line. You don't need to use a scale. A second line which looks like the number 11. The second line will be a little longer than the first one. Join them. Another line. This will be slanting. These two lines will be slanting. This line is bigger than the other one. Join them to make the feet of the piglet. Now we'll start by making both the hands. A slant line going down, a semicircle, bring the line down and join it with a pointed tip. Okay, now we'll draw the next hand. A slide from the back side. We are not seeing the complete hand. Bring it down below this hand. So the right hand is overlapping the first one. We can rub the inside parts now so that it's easy for us to color. Now we'll start drawing the stripes on the body. These stripes will be curved shapes. Draw it throughout the body, leaving equal distance between them. Our body is done. Now we'll draw the ears. The ears is the shape of the leaf. Make a line this way and then join this with a curved line. Okay. Now we'll draw the next ear. For that we'll make a curved line towards the right. Stop and now join that with the head. Very good. Now we'll do the face. For that we have to start with the eyebrows. Make two semicircles this way and two more lines which is a little less curved for the eyes. Draw two circles. This completes our eyes. One small mountain like semicircle for the nose and a cute little smiley face for the piglet. There, isn't she cute? Okay. Our piglet is done. We shall start outlining with a black marker. You can use your black marker or a sketch pen and trace throughout your drawing. This way you can trace slowly. પ્રિયલ પ્રિયલ પેલી બીજી માર્કર લે આવ ને, આ બગડી ગઈ છે. Same way, start outlining the body. Slowly trace the drawing. Now we'll do the hands. This hand is overlapping the other one. So slowly, carefully outline this one. Then the other hand is below that. Okay. Now the legs. Done. Now we'll do the eyes. I'm coloring the eyes with the marker itself. Okay. Now we are done with the outline and we shall start the coloring. I'm using two shades of pink. One should be a lighter one, the other one should be a darker one. You can use your oil pastels, but when you have details in your drawing, you should use either pencil colors or sketch pens to make it easy. I'm using the light pink color for the face. When you're using your pencil colors or crayons specifically, color in the same direction. If you're doing standing lines, do standing line. If you're doing sleeping line, continue with the sleeping line. With oil pastels, it is easier to color in any direction because the texture is very creamy. Here I'm using pencil colors and I'm doing it with a standing line. So you have to try and do in the same direction. I'm using standing lines only. The nose we will color with a darker pink. Same way we'll color the hands with the light pink color. The legs we will start with the same light pink color, hands, legs and face with the light pink color. Now the rest of the body we will color with a darker pink. Color the nose with the dark pink. And now the ears. Okay, our ears are done. We will go with the body now. For the body also I am using the dark pink color. Each stripe should be colored separately. Don't mix both the colors. Don't mix all the stripes together. Color each stripe at a time. If you like this video, do like and subscribe the channel to get more of these videos like this. Happy coloring. Hope to see you in the next class. Do share your pictures if you have done the same coloring and drawing along with me. Bye bye. See you in the next class.